Since childhood, I'm very fascinated about flying vehicles. So I always have been making paper planes, origami planes, etc. So that naturally led me to pick up aeronautical engineering in my graduation.
Hyderabad's Jeh Aerospace is the face of a new India, bold and ready for the world. Founded by young engineers Venkatesh Mudragalla and Vishal Sanghvi, the company is turning India's aerospace ambitions into reality.
I joined the Tata's aerospace leading vehicle, Tata Advanced Systems. That's when I met Vishal, my other founder. Vishal was my first operating manager.
Aerospace manufacturers were relying on a handful of overloaded suppliers. Demand was soaring, but capacity couldn't keep up. Venkatesh saw the gap widening, and he knew India could be the answer.
More than 80% of manufacturing in aerospace industry happens in high-cost countries. India has a big role to play here. We have a strong demand here, and we also have one biggest advantage. We have a large amount of talent pool that's available.
With demand spiking and the toughest engine parts becoming the biggest bottleneck, Venkatesh knew they had to focus where precision matters most.
We are one of the fastest growing manufacturing startups across the globe, specifically in the aerospace sector. We deal with machining of hard metal components which are Inconel, titanium, nickel and other cobalt alloy, which are more difficult to machine. Today, we can handle any part, any complexity, any material in the envelope of 1 meter.
Jeh Aerospace is growing fast from just 2 to a 120-member team in under 2 years. But the biggest driving force behind this rise is the founders themselves, who never stopped believing in India's aerospace potential.
If there is one single success factor for a successful startup, I would say the relationship between the co-founders is extremely important. I think with the kind of capability that we have and the kind of talent pool that we have, once we combine this and add a digital layer to it, I think we'll be a force to reckon with.